some more.
Take this before bedtime and your eyesight will improve by 80%. Even ophthalmologists are amazed. Share this video with everyone you know. Weak eyesight is associated with conditions called myopia, nearsightedness, or hyperopia, farsightedness. Genetics, poor nutrition, aging and excessive eye strain are the main factors for the conditions, which sadly can't be reversed. However, there's a simple natural remedy which will boost your eyesight by 80%, and cure numerous eye problems. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 100 g of aloe vera gel, 300 g of organic honey, 500 g of chopped walnuts, 4 medium-sized lemons. Preparation: take a couple aloe leaves and chop them, then store them in a bag for 12 days so they can form the so-called biogenic stimulators. After 12 days, mix the aloe vera leaves in a blender with the other ingredients, and pour the mixture in a glass jar. Drink a tablespoon of it every day 30 minutes, before your meals, and you will easily improve your eyesight. Consuming the drink will also give your metabolism a boost, which will result in better overall health as well. Warning: the following groups of people shouldn't consume the remedy: women in the last trimester of pregnancy, people suffering from hemorrhoids, tuberculosis patients, acute renal failure patients, people suffering from cardiovascular and gastrointestinal problems, as well as women suffering from vaginal inflammation. A natural remedy that will clean the eyes, treat cataracts, and improve your eyesight in only 3 months. Avoid the surgery. A cataract is a clouding of the lens in the eye which leads to a decrease in vision. Cataracts often develop slowly and can affect one or both eyes. Symptoms may include faded colors, blurry vision, halos around light, trouble with bright lights, and trouble seeing at night, which can lead to accidents or trouble recognizing faces. Cataract is often related to old age, but this doesn't mean that it won't affect younger people. It is the leading cause of blindness in the world. The poor vision caused by cataract has been related to an increased risk of depression, diabetes, eye inflammation, smoking, family history of diabetes, and frequent exposure to radiation are some of the main risk factors for cataract. The problem is usually treated surgically, but you should know that there are many natural remedies that can treat cataract just as well. For example, adding more spinach in your diet will boost your lutein levels and promote retinal and eye tissue health. Spinach also contains carotenoids and vitamin A, which are also vital for proper eye health. Taking ginkgo biloba supplements will increase the supply of oxygen to your eyes and promote eye health. You should also eat more cabbage, blueberries, blackberries, cherries, and other fruits rich in vitamin C and E that are beneficial for your eyes. Blueberries will reinforce your eye blood vessels and protect the retina from damage. They will also reduce the pressure in your eyes and prevent cataracts from developing. Avoid consuming dairy products and saturated fat as they may damage your eyesight and help cataract develop. If you're suffering from cataract, you should never use antihistamines. Another effective solution against cataract are eye bright drops. Just put a few of them in your eyes and they will successfully treat the symptoms of the condition. Eye bright drops have been proven as significantly more effective than commercial eye drops. Besides this, there's also a powerful natural remedy that can help you. It contains only 2 simple ingredients, and can be safely used by people of any age. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 cup of rose petals, 4 teaspoons of raspberry leaves, 4 cups of boiling water. Preparation: boil the water in a pot, then add the other ingredients and simmer the mixture for a couple of minutes. Leave it to cool down afterwards, strain it and use the remedy to wash your eyes carefully every day. Regular use of the remedy will reinforce your retina and prevent the development of cataract. This plant will improve your vision even if you're 70 years old. The million-dollar question: why spend thousands of dollars a year for expensive lenses and eyeglasses when you can improve your eyesight in a healthy and natural way, for just a small portion of that amount? I really think that we all know that many people around the world have major problems with their eyes. So, unfortunately, if you're one of them, then you're probably tired of going to your eye doctor and spending a lot of money on trendy glasses, right? Can I ask you a simple question? Have you ever noticed that the doctors prescribe you new glasses every year? The real and ugly truth is that your eyesight theoretically should have got better. But, as we said, it didn't. And this is the main reason why people buy expensive glasses that should improve your vision. Our eyes require these nutrients to function optimally. Vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like copper and zinc are essential to eyesight. Antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, protect the macula from sun damage. Get these antioxidants from dark leafy greens, egg yolks, yellow peppers, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and carrots. Notice any color patterns here? Current research shows that consuming yellow and green vegetables can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness. Foods rich in sulfur, cysteine, and lecithin help protect the lens of your eye from cataract formation. Excellent choices include garlic, onions, shallots, and capers. Anthocyanin-rich blueberries, grapes, and goji berries have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve your vision. DHA is a fatty acid found in cold water fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and cod. DHA provides structural support to cell membranes to boost eye health. Your glasses can only help you see better, but they won't improve your vision. And you should also know that your vision will get worse if you don't address the root of the problem. As we said, you shouldn't be worried, because we have the right answer for you. In this article we're going to show you how to make the most powerful home remedy and improve your eyesight. And, don't forget, the best thing about this powerful homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make, and it's made by easy available ingredients. Yes, you just need aloe vera, walnuts, honey, and lemons, and that's it. And trust, the results are incredible. Many people around the world, who've used it, said that they've experienced positive results. This is also very important for you to remember. Make sure you consult your doctor before you try this, or any other homemade remedy. You will need the following ingredients: 100 grams aloe juice, 500 grams crushed walnut, 300 grams honey, lemon juice, 3 to 4 lemons. Directions: here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to mix and put all the ingredients into blender. Blend until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. Note: make sure you wash the leaves with cooled boiled water, and make sure you remove the spikes as well. How to use it: you should consume this mixture 3 times a day, 1 tablespoon 30 minutes before all major meals. Consume it continually until your vision improves. You should also know that this amazing remedy is a powerful nutrient and vitamin bomb. It will strengthen your entire body and improve your health in general. Make sure you keep this remedy in the refrigerator and use it in the next 10 days. And, be careful, because the aloe vera juice can cause you problems, if you suffer from these health conditions: acute renal disease, gastrointestinal disorders, the last trimester of pregnancy, inflammatory processes of female genital organs, cardiovascular diseases, tuberculosis, and hemorrhoids. And the aloe vera shouldn't be older than 3 years.
Discover how to treat and reverse the eyesight loss caused by old age. To be honest with you, I really think that we all know that many people around the world have major problems with their eyes. So, unfortunately, if you're one of them, then you're probably tired of going to your eye doctor and spending a lot of money on trendy glasses, right? Can I ask you a simple question? Have you ever noticed that the doctors prescribe you new glasses every year? The real and ugly truth is that your eyesight theoretically should be got better, but, as we said, it didn't. and this is the main reason why people buy expensive glasses that should improve your vision. The experts say that, unfortunately, your glasses can only help you see better, but they won't improve your vision. And you should also know that your vision will get worse if you don't address the root of the problem. Well guys, you shouldn't be worried, because we have the right answer for you. In this article we are going to show you how to use this powerful ingredient to save and restore your eyesight. The name of this miraculous ingredient is saffron. Yes, many experts around the world think that saffron is one of the easiest way to improve your eyesight naturally. Saffron might solve your eyesight. First, I would like to ask you a simple question. Have you ever heard of saffron? Well, if you haven't, then you should definitely read the article below. Many experts around the world say that saffron can slow the progression of eye diseases, like macular degeneration, which causes blindness. Saffron is collected by hand from the deep red stamens of the saffron crocus. Unfortunately, the saffron spice is worth up to $800 per pound depending on its quality. It is used in a variety of applications including as a food spice, a coloring agent, and a treatment for disease. Some 90 illnesses, and counting, can be treated with saffron. You should also know that saffron contains the antioxidant carotenoids crocin and crostin among other ingredients, with strong antioxidative, cellular and neuroprotective properties. Crocin from saffron has antioxidant activity stronger than alpha-tocopherol and can prevent the formation of peroxidized lipids and can partly restore superoxide dismutase (SOD) activity. Study confirms. A recent study has discovered that taking oral supplementation of saffron, 20 mg per day, for 3 months in patients with early-stage age-related macular degeneration, AMD, or ARMD, induced a significant improvement of retinal function and visual acuity. The famous Professor Sylvia Bisti, who carried out the research in patients with age-related macular degeneration, patients' vision improved after taking the saffron pill. This has created a hope that saffron may be the natural answer to stop or delay vision loss from macular degeneration. In the eye study, macular degeneration patients who ate a diet containing saffron began to experience cell recovery, which resulted in improved vision. He said that saffron can affect the genes that regulate the fatty acid content of the cell membrane, and this makes the vision cells tougher and more resilient. Saffron recommended dosage. Well, the medical experts say that you should follow these instructions. For the eye health benefits, one needs to take 20 mg of high-quality saffron per day. Yes, one can take similar amount of saffron spice that is added to the food or prepared as a tea.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Travix.